Welcome to this complete Submagic AI tutorial. In the next few minutes I'm going to walk you step by step through everything you need to know to create professional-looking videos with subtitles, animations, enhanced audio, and clean exports ready for social media. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, this guide will help you understand how Submagic works and how you can use it to speed up your content creation. Let's begin. Submagic is an artificial intelligence tool built specifically for video creators who want fast, accurate subtitles and modern visual styles without spending hours editing. The platform analyzes your speech, generates captions automatically, and lets you customize the look and feel of every element. It also offers audio enhancement, automatic translation, and smart editing options designed to streamline your workflow, making it ideal for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. To get started, visit submagic.co and create your account. You can sign up quickly using your Google account or your email address. Once you're inside the platform, you'll find a clean and simple dashboard that's easy to navigate. You'll see options to upload new videos, revisit your past projects, try different templates, and explore the full list of editing tools. Take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout, because you'll be using these sections throughout your workflow. When you're ready to begin, click the Upload Video button. You can drag and drop your file or choose it from your computer. As soon as you upload it, Submagic automatically starts processing the video. It analyzes the audio, detects the spoken language, and prepares everything so the subtitle generator can begin working. This step is quick, but it's essential because it sets the foundation for the rest of the editing process. Once the transcription is complete, you'll be taken to the caption editor. Here you can review every line of text to make sure it matches what was spoken. You can correct any mistakes, adjust the timing of each subtitle, and split or merge lines depending on how you want the text to appear. Submagic does a great job automatically, but spending a few seconds refining your captions ensures your final video feels polished and professional. This is also where you can fine-tune the flow of your dialogue on screen. Now comes the creative part. Customizing the caption styles. Submagic offers a large collection of presets, ranging from minimal and elegant designs to bold, colorful, animated options perfect for social media. You can adjust fonts, colors, backgrounds, animations, and even highlight keywords with special effects. There's also an auto emoji feature that analyzes your speech and adds relevant emojis to make the video more expressive. These options help you match the style of your content and make your videos more engaging. Beyond the visual styling, Submagic provides several advanced AI tools that save you a lot of editing time. Smart Cut automatically removes silent moments in the video, helping you keep the pacing tight. The Audio Enhancer improves clarity, reduces background noise, and balances the overall sound. You also have the option to translate the entire video into multiple languages with one click. These features are especially useful if you create content regularly and want a faster, more automated workflow. Once your video is ready, it's time to export it. Submagic lets you choose the ideal format based on where you'll publish your content. Use vertical 9:16 for TikTok or Instagram Reels, square 1:1 for feed posts, or horizontal formats for YouTube. After selecting the size, sobri or necessary size, simply export the project and wait for Submagic to render your video. Once the rendering finishes, download your file and it's ready to be uploaded to your favorite platforms. And that's how you can use Submagic AI to create clean, professional, and engaging videos in just a few minutes. I hope this breakdown helps you get the most out of the tool. If you'd like more tutorials on powerful AI tools and video automation, make sure to follow for more content.